What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video I will be talking about should you get a funded trading account. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, so should you get a funded trading account? Alright, so what I'm going to do is give you the pros, I'm going to give you the cons of getting a funded trading account. Alright, so we're going to start always with the bad because we want to get it out of the way. Alright, so the bad thing about getting a funded account is basically you have rules that you have to follow that may not fit with inside of your trading style. Alright, so I don't know if you are familiar with the companies, but it's two main ones that I know of, which is Funding Talent and FTMO. If you go to their websites, which the next video I will do a comparison on both for you guys if you want to know more about those companies. But if you go to their website, you'll be able to see that to even get funded, you have to stay within inside of some rules. Now, one of them is not as strict and the other one is strict. I'm not going to talk about the company. So no matter which one you choose to go with, you still will have rules that you have to follow. Now, another con is the waiting period that you have to wait before you actually get, funded. So you can be trading a full month, 3 months without compensation. Well, I'm going to say that for one of the companies, because one of the companies actually do pay you every 2 weeks just for trading demo. But that's for the next video we're going to talk about. But yeah, the waiting period sometimes with different, prop firms that's paying you for your skill to trade, you have to wait a certain period of time before you actually touch some funds. All right. Now let's hop into some of the pros. All right. Let's hop into some of the pros. All right. A pro is you are not losing your real hard-earned money. Okay. That's a pro to me that anybody should think about when they are thinking about getting funded, because you can lose $200, $300, $400, $500 on a funded account. It won't hurt you that way. But if you losing $400, $500 of your real money, hard-earned money, then yeah, you're gonna feel some type of way. You might get depressed. You might want to stop trading and all that other stuff. But with a funded account, you have more room to make mistakes and still come out on top. Which lead me to my next one, which basically you pay a small fee, all right, that you put into the market over and over and over again, that you probably done blew your account, lost that money, but you can pay that same amount, all right, and get a bigger account, make the same mistakes, learn from them, and still come out on top. Okay, as long as you stay within inside their rules, you good to go. But let's say you got $125, right? You put it into your real account. You burn that, ain't no coming back. Unless you add more money into that account, right? With a funding account, you can probably get a 25K account, a 25 to 50K account for 120, 160, whatever the company is offering, and then you get a 25K account. Guess what? You can lose $125 and still have the account, because you have more room. Like I said in the last one, you have more room to basically mess up. Another pro I would say is you can use bigger lot sizes. All right, you can use bigger lot sizes to make bigger profits. Let's say you have a unique strategy that works. All right, let's say you have a fire strategy that actually works, but you don't have the funds. You working a 9-to-5 job, or you don't have a job. You scraping up funds, but you have a trading skill. It's people that don't have a job that can trade demo. All right, it's people that know how to trade, but all they're waiting for is some type of income that'll come to them that they can put into a live account and make money off of it. Though it is people out there. Okay, it is people out there that's like that. Let's just say you're one of those people. You have a fire skill, but you don't have the funds, or you do have the funds, but you just can't use like bigger lot sizes like you want to, like you do on your demo. So that's why getting a funded account will allow you to do the same thing, and you will be able to get those funds eventually. To answer this question fully, I would just say it depends on you. All right, it depends on you, depends on how you trade, depends on if you have a fire strategy or not. It really depends on how long you've been trading, and basically understanding the company's rules and how to actually get funded, because being funded, it could be a blessing. Like, you know, you could, and I'm just going to keep going back to, if you had a live account but you don't have the funds to trade like a NAS 100 or US 30 with a 0.4 or standard lot. Let's say you don't know how long it's going to take you to get that real money to be able to trade that, but you know your strategy works. So if you go with a funded account, they give you the funds, you show them your skills, boom, you get paid, right? Why not? You're going to have people out here who going to tell you, oh, you shouldn't get funded, you should trade your own money. You know, okay, what if this funded company pays you out $20,000, all right? That pays you $20,000 without in a month. Okay? How long is it gonna take you to save up at least $10,000 to $20,000 to put a standard down on, you know, US 30 or NAS 100? How long is it gonna take you to save the amount that you need in order to pay a small fee, get the money, then take the money that they give you and put in your live account? What I would say is, once you get funded, once you actually withdraw from these accounts, because it is real, you can withdraw your money from a funded account. They're not just gonna make you trade and you're not gonna get paid. So the money that you making, I would say withdraw it, then put it in your live account and stack and stack and stack. Trade off of that as well. Because who to say that funded companies will be around forever? So that's why you should just take advantage of it while it's there. It's just like a business person. All right, they get a loan from the bank. They use that money to go get other stuff to flip into more money. Other businesses, you know, just uses as leverage. That's what you can do with a funded company, as long as you stay with inside the rules. A lot of people hit me up asking me, you know, basically they thinking about doing, FTMO or funding talent. Which one is better? I'm gonna do a comparison for y'all on the next video. But yeah, should you get funded? My question, like I say, my answer is, it's totally up to you. What do you believe? Do you believe in saving up $10,000 to put in a trading account, or paying $135, $165-ish to get a 20K account, 25K, 50K account, and actually making funds with the account and withdrawing? It's totally up to you, your preference. Should you quit your job? No, you should not quit your job trading a funded account until you actually get funded. Now, if you make $20,000, $30,000 from the account, then yes, you can quit your job, use that money, pay up your bills, you know what I'm saying, do what you got to do, and just keep going. It's that simple. That's my preference. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also click that bell. Other than that, out.